okay na eh. Kami nga mga religious nga mga tulog kabok na mga nurses. Simba mi karon Domingo namin sa chapel karon. Dayon. Nahuman na ang panang misa. Naalay makita na mga unconscious or nag-collapse. So, dira ang start ang mga sila. So, di ka namin naman we are uman. Naman na rin pa ulit namin. Uy, naipo ba? Kawan, paliw, kawan sa nan. Negative, only this birthday. I'm the recording birthday. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Second cycle. One. Next cycle, please. Second cycle delivered. CPR, please. Let's analyze. Sir, very well, and appreciated. Okay, deliver shop, 200 joules. Okay. Charging. I'm clear, you're clear? Clear. Okay, everyone's clear. Delivered shot. Shot delivered, please. Resume CPR. CPR. Start IV, please.
IV started, sir.
8. Good. 10. 11. 12. Fourth cycle. Done. Please stop CPR. Analyze again, please. Sir, this is something of the spoon. Please give 1 milligram of epinephrine. Jing.
1 milligram epinephrine given.
Please resume CPR.
Watch and learn, ha?
2 minutes. 1, 2, 5. Please stop CPR. 10. Analyze, please. Sir, story of So, paano lang na, revive ang gamay ang pasyente after sa mga CPR. So, nag-summarizing ta. Okay na ba ito ang bibatanan? Clear na ba ng patanan? Next is, isa pa ito, nakapag-given. Ilagay na ito. Start mong record.
7-year-old patient. Rest.
Okay, sa revive. So, please, yung transportation if needed, pasok.